Are you somebody who's got a lot of shoulder pain, scared to move your shoulder? Well, today I'm going to show you 3 exercises that you're going to be able to do at home with the help of just a simple stick or a broom handle. I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy, and you're watching the 10X Physio channel. Now, we would love it if you could subscribe to our channel, and if you subscribe to the channel, you will receive all of our videos on a weekly basis when they get released. And remember, the information's free, and it's also there to help improve your health by up to 10 times. So please subscribe and hit the notifications button. Now, we're going to look at these exercises which will help to ease pain and get that shoulder moving. So let's dive in. Okay, so let's look at our first exercise, which is a shoulder abduction. And we are going to use our broom handle or our stick. We just get ourselves into position. So we're going to point those palms forward, like so. Well, actually with this arm we don't necessarily need to, but the arm we're going to move, we're going to make sure that palm's pointing forward. So when we move that arm, the thumb's moving up to the ceiling. So we're going to hold onto the stick. We're going to just gently use our good arm to lead that arm up to the side and come back down. Again, just to take that up to the side. Again, it's just gentle movement, just the point that feels comfortable or the point that you feel that you're able to manage. So we're just up to the side, so our thumb is leading up to the ceiling. And we're going to just do 5 of these. That's number 4. And then just doing number 5 up the side. Okay, and that is our shoulder abduction. So again, when we do this exercise, remember, we're not using it to increase pain. We're doing it to a level that you're able to manage, so you can manage the pain, but also manage the movement, because remember, the movement is so important. So remember, 5 of these, and we can do that a couple of times each day. So now we are into our assisted external rotational movement. Okay, so for this movement, remember, we're going to hold our hands like so. Okay, we're going to take the stick into the palm. So the palm's facing up, the elbows tucked tight into the body. We're using our good hand to gently rotate that arm out to the side, keeping that elbow tucked. Okay, and we come back in. It's a gentle rotation out and back in. There's number 3. And again. And then just into the last one, just gently getting that rotational movement, elbows tucked into the side. And there's 5 of those. So now again, remember, manageable level, not to increase the pain. We're there to help increase that range of movement. And there may be a little bit of pain, but it's certainly not meant to increase it to a point that's uncomfortable or irritable for you. Okay, so 5 of those, and again, you can do those a couple of times a day. Okay, now let's just move into our towel dryer exercise. So again, all aimed at improving that range of movement and easing pain. So I'm going to get into position here, so I'm going to turn around. Okay, I'm still using my stick, so the stick comes in behind here with my good arm. I'm going to grab that stick with that bad arm, and all we're doing is we're using this good arm to gently lead that stick and that hand up the back and back down again. So we're up and gently back down, up and back down. Okay, good. Last one. And back down. So that is our towel dryer exercise. Again, we're just going to do 5 of these again, aimed to improve the range of movement and ease pain. Okay, remember, it's not to increase the pain. So when we look at pain for all of these exercises, remember, if we imagine pain on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 is excruciating pain, 0 is no pain. Generally, as a ballpark figure, if you're able to cope with a pain that's 3 to 4 out of 10 as you do these exercises, that is generally your body just getting used to the movement. So just keep that in mind when you're doing any of these exercises. Remember, they're not there to make things worse for you, they're there to help improve things. And I will also say to you as well that do please seek specialist advice before you do any of these exercises. Okay, here at the clinic we have lots of special therapists who will help you and advise you. So that's our 3 top exercises that we use for shoulder pain and to help improve movement. So I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy. You've been watching the 10X Physio channel. I would love it if you would subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications button as well. So again, you'll get informed of all of our videos as they come out. And again, the information's free. It's there for you to use. Please feel free to share it, pass it on to friends and family, people who you know who have shoulder pain or who's struggling to do things from day to day. Remember, it's all for them. So again now, thank you for watching. You've been watching the 10X Physio channel.